All right, we have a battle royale of corned beef today. Come on and we'll talk about it. What's up everybody? Today we're going to be looking at a couple of brands that keep popping up in a previous video that I've done. We're going to be looking at the Palm brand corned beef and the Purefoods corned beef. Come on, let's see which one ranks best. So yeah, I did a video about a year ago on who has the best canned corned beef. And wouldn't you know that I did not cover every brand in the world. In fact, these two brands kept popping up in the comment section, so I figured I'd try to get my hands on a couple of these and try them out. So we're going to take an in-depth look at the Palm brand and the Purefoods brand and just see what separates these apart from the other ones that I tested and to discover if they're better or not. So let's open these cans up and take a look inside. So here's a look at our Purefoods corned beef, and this is a fan favorite in the Philippines. They love this stuff down there. You can see the fat's just kind of gelled up on top. And then we can look over here at the Palm brand. Not as much fat that's on top, but we'll break this open and test it out and just taste it and see what it's like straight out of the can, because if you're dealing with a power outage or something like that, you might be eating it cold, who knows, but I like mine heated up and mixed up with the recipe, but we're going to try them out and see what it tastes like. So before I start into the taste test, let's take a look at the ingredients on the Purefoods corned beef. Real simple stuff. It's corned beef, water. It does have some onion flavor, maltodextrin, salt, natural flavor, vegetable oil, sugar, salt, and white pepper, and sodium nitrite. So there's a few extra ingredients in this one, and that may be a turn off to you, or it might be an improvement. But let's look over here at the Palm real quick. The Palm, and I should note that this is 11.5 ounces. This is not quite 12 ounces, but it's 11.5. And the ingredients for this are as simple as it gets. Beef, water, salt, sodium nitrite. So you've seen the nutritional information and the ingredients. Let's just take a taste test straight out of the can. Not my preferred method of eating corned beef, but let's detect for anything weird, and we'll take a closer look at this and dig in. This here's the Purefoods. I'm going to take a little bite of it, just straight out of the can, not heated up, not anything. Not my preferred way to eat corned beef, but I'm going to give it a try. You know, you never know, the power might go off or something, and you need to eat it straight out of the can. Nothing weird there. It's got a unique texture. It's kind of like a beef stew texture. So, yeah, that's good straight out of the can. I could live with that. It's just that fat in it, you know, that's not melted, not that appetizing straight out of the can. But let's take a look at this one here now. So here's the Palm straight out of the can. I tried to find some with all that goop on it, but let's try this out. So straight out of the can, just by observation, the Purefoods has got a little more fat content, it looks like. They kind of have that beef stew texture to them, unlike the Great Value corned beef or Libby's or stuff like that. This has got a little more grain and texture to it. But hey, let's go throw it in the frying pan, heat it up, and give it our final thought. So before we dig in, this is a look at the Palm brand. And over to the side is some arteries or connective tissues and stuff a lot of people don't find appealing, but I just kicked those out to the side. Not that much in there. You can see the texture. It is kind of like stew beef, or what I call stew beef. And we'll look over here at Purefoods, and it's got a very similar texture. It's got about the same amount of those arteries, maybe just a little bit more, and those connective tissues. But the only thing left to do now is taste it now that it's warmed up. I'm sure it's going to be better. So let's dig in and see how Purefoods taste with this additional onion flavor and sugar and salt, whatever they've added to it. There is a subtle taste of onion flavoring in it. The texture is great. I love it. It is a little greasy from the extra fat that you saw caked up on it, but that's not bad at all. So now let's move over to the Palm brand and see if it's as good. Love corned beef. The Palm brand's got a very similar texture. I like it, but man, I'm going to tell you now, the seasoning and stuff in the Purefoods makes this the winner. Now I know that most people don't eat their corned beef this way. A lot of people incorporate other ingredients and jazz it up. I usually eat mine with eggs, but based on the comments from my last corned beef video, I've got all kinds of ideas. What's your favorite way to eat corned beef? Put it in the comments below. And until then, both of these are great. There's not a real loser in the group here, but this one here with the additional seasoning and with the onion flavor and things like that, it just kind of pushed it over the top just a little bit. So that's my take on the corned beef. Yeah, I like the Purefoods brand a little bit better than this one simply because it was seasoned up a little bit straight out of the can. But hey, what's your favorite brand? Also, these two, along with Ox and Palm, are very different than Libby's and the other brands. Those brands are kind of a mushy texture. These are more of a, like I said in the video, a stew beef kind of texture. They're really different, but they're also a little more pricier. You can look at the price difference right here. I'm going to show you on the screen between these two, and I'll compare it to just the Walmart brand for comparison. And so you can make your decision and you tell me what you like. Until next time, get you some corned beef, and may the Lord bless you.